and today I'm joined by
Stephanie.
So today we're doing something I wanted to do since this became a trend. So for the second episode of Latest Trends, we're going to be making slime! I've been wanting to make slime. I've never touched slime. I've never felt slime. I've never made slime. So she's going to be my guide because she's made slime. So
Yeah.
we're going to be making fluffy slime today.
Oh.
So, yeah, we have shaving cream, we have a bunch of glues, and some coloring. So, let's go. Okay, so I think we got it. I have my contact lens solution, by the way, because I wear contacts. So,
Alright.
okay. Can I pour some in?
Yeah.
This is going to be so awesome.
Okay.
Is it, like, dried or something?
No.
Whoa! Okay, that was not expected.
Alright,
Okay.
just squeeze as much as you possibly can. Just keep.
Okay. I might actually change the camera angle so, like, people could see above so they actually see what's going on. Okay, here, you can squeeze the rest.
Okay.
Now, pouring. Okay, next we need shaving cream.
Which you have right here. Wait.
I don't know how to open it.
Wait.
I don't shave.
I'm pretty sure you just shake it up and then. I don't know what this smells like. So.
I'm just gonna shield myself. I'm scared.
I don't know how much to put in. Do you know?
Let's just do it when we think it's right. I'll just start mixing it and then.
Okay. Hopefully this will be good.
Whoa.
Ooh, it smells
Can
pretty
you
good.
even? It's just like all one color. So people can't even see it.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's a good camera angle.
Is that good?
Yeah, I'd say leave it at that. Okay, now let's put the contact here. You want to mix?
Sure.
I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun cleaning this up.
True.
Okay, so wait, should we put the dye in now?
Oh, yeah, probably.
Okay, since we're doing blue, I should put that in. You could just, like, keep mixing. This is
Wait,
good.
because this is going to be, like, the consistency of what it is. So, like, I think we should put a little bit more.
No, you can never go wrong with super fluffy slime. Whoa, it's blue.
Whoa!
Hold on. Here we go, we need more blue. Could never go wrong with a lot of blue.
Wait, hold on.
I think we need a little bit more shaving cream because it needs to be super fluffy.
Okay.
So weird.
Oh my god!
What? There you go.
Alright. Why'd you put it in there?
I don't know.
You doy? Whoops.
How's it looking? Super fluffy consistency yet?
I think.
Okay.
This might be a fail because we don't really know. Because it needs like the whole bottle.
That's fine. It's worth it for slime. My best friend, I guess. Okay.
Is it working? It's working.
It's like starting to get like, I think blue is a bad color for the camera, but oh my gosh, it's starting to be slime. Okay. That's awesome! I love that! Whoa! Oh,
Really?
because I've never made slime before, so I'm just like so happy. This is awesome. Oh my gosh! Okay, hold on. I need to get it off my hands. How is this gonna work? It's super sticky though. Hold on. I'm gonna use this. We might need to wash this.
Yeah.
Oh, we're definitely gonna need to wash it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we just need like one more squirt of it and then we'll be done. Just a little tiny bit. Yeah. That should be good.
Is it like...
It's making a bit. But I think the more we need it, here, you can help. The more we like play with it, the more...
It's like fart putty.
Stephanie will go first for the satisfying Instagram.
Okay, let's do this thing. Oh,
Go ahead.
okay.
You're not supposed to talk during it.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. This is mine. So you ready?
Oh, that was satisfying. Oh my god, that's so satisfying.
Remember to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
We hope you
You
enjoyed,
enjoyed.
and we'll see you all
Until
next
next
time.
time.
Goodbye.